Ebushamaima wakwa ba yɛmfa ho Ghana Asɛm TV GH mesrɛ wo like, comment, subscribe, turn notification also on so that anytime you post video bi say we are usan bɛka bi. Ebushamfo, I'm sure say by now no the news has reached you. Say the mighty minority leader, the leader of the 87 gallant men and women of NPP, our parliament, has taken illegal steps against Sami Jemfi, Eric AJ, Joy News, and Peace FM.
Speaker, in the face of the allegations of extortion leveled against me, I have chosen to take high moral ground by submitting myself to the processes of the law. I have accordingly caused writs to be filed in suit number GT 1029/2026, entitled Osahin Alexander Afenyo Markin versus Samuel Edujemfi and Multimedia Group Limited at the Accra High Court, and suit number GR/ACH/CC/C5/02/2026, entitled Osahin Alexander Afenyo Markin versus Eric AJ and Peace FM at the Chimota Circuit Court. I have every confidence that in the fullness of time, the court will make the appropriate determination on these matters. Mr. Speaker,
as you for or move for Nina, because we a TV station and as a radio station, and you allow people to come on air and spew that level of arrant, sorry to say this way, but arrant nonsense now, you should be also held as accountable as the individuals that come to make such a pronouncement. Now, I'm not here actually to go into the nitty-gritties of the case, because once case na do court pay, anything you say about the merit and otherwise of it, it becomes like you are passing your own judgment and it's against the law. Now, the reason I've come in and say some NPP people are rejoicing, or they are very happy. Now, I was a little bit taken aback because according to them, they are not rejoicing because as kind of saying Afenyo Markin, Nikota or Koyo, but they are rejoicing say NDC for mafia Afenyo Markin. And I will tell you why. The reason they are rejoicing that NDC for mafia Afenyo Markin is say they feel say Afenyo Markin has been too calm, has been too accommodative of NDC. Oko parliamenter, Afenyo Markin no Obia, he has been building a lot of consensus with NDC. Some of the things and now you expect say NPP as a caucus would stand up and fight against. Sometimes Afenyo Markin, in the spirit of oneness, in the spirit of patriotism, would allow those things to flow. And Nkrofo feel say for Afenyo Markin to become that hardline leader, it would take things like this. As someone who say NDC for Omun Penasem, as someone who say NDC for Omunyana and come be chanity. As someone who say NDC for Omunyana and can by now or in Sawum. As someone who say NDC Nino Onyawa Damfo. And to my learned colleague, my partner, my learned colleague, my friend in parliament, my fellow colleagues, and all those things. NDC for Omun Sao. NDC for they see you as an enemy. That's how they see you. NDC ni bia once muye politics pay. He sees you as an enemy. And the NPP for more rejoicing, they believe say this is going to be a wake-up call for Afenyo Markin to understand say our politics is not forgiving, and that is the nature of our politics. If you want to do it, you must be ready to go buga with your opponent. And buga na never boy never winning 2028 election. And initially, I wasn't happy when these people were speaking like this, but I mean, they also have a point, don't they? Let me know in the comment section.
This is after he has gone to join news.
Yeah.
No, what's the name? Good evening, Ghana.
Good evening, okay.
Yeah, to indicate that he won't take it to court.
Yeah.
I hope you understand. So if you go on Good Evening Ghana and you say that you won't take it to court, then later you are like in your write-up, you indicate that you seek legal remedies. You are making a contradictory statement pertaining to this particular issue. I hope you get it.
Yeah.
So, and as Voice indicated, these things that we are doing, you are not doing it for yourself as an individual. It's the reputation of an entire political party and a reputation of an entire minority. Therefore, if you are taking not only to Afenyo Marking, but the entire leadership of the party, because whatever you do affect us as youth. Because some people may say, oh, they are Omoyen Penny4, so if you are talking, but they should know that they all the future of the youth in the New Patriotic Party, the future of the youth in Ghana as a nation, is in the reputation of the flag bearer, reputation of our leadership of the party, the reputation of the leadership in parliament. Therefore, if anything dents their reputation, it's trickled down to the ordinary NPP follower. That has been my point, that has been my issue. So we should be careful in some things that we do, some decisions we take at a point, because at the end of the day, you'll be asking these communicators, like Voice and I, and some will have to go and sit on radio and TV and try to justify all these things, which doesn't go as easy as the decision maker may take.
And to that, Manuel, you see, Richard, sorry we are taking much of your time.
It's okay. I want you people to really talk length about it.
So you see, and also the thing is that it is bad that some of these decisions, all of us get to know about it at the same time. It's bad. Okay, you know, when someone makes a statement, people start spinning the statement. Okay, like if someone says that you are an extortionist, people start running with it across social media, discussing it. That very moment, at least an hour or 2 hours, our TikTokers, our communicators should know what is going to be the next course for action. You understand? So that if Rita is coming live maybe 2 hours after that, you know that Afenyo Marking is going for sure to take the issue to court. So when you come, you are countering that we are going to court. Okay? But if we have to wait...
You know the funny thing?
No, tell me.
I find out about this extortionist on Sandy's platform. And immediately I rush to all the platforms they've created on WhatsApp that they added as, like TikTok things. And I was trying to look to see whether there was like a formal, something as to how we should respond to it. I scroll the page, I never see.
Even communicators page, I can tell you for a fact nothing of the sort was on the page.
Nothing was there. So I was like, so it took me by surprise. So I have to pause. So I started making video. I made a video and responded to Kevin Taylor's own. After I have gone to watch Afenyo Markings, and that was where I confirmed that Honorable said she wasn't going to respond. Now, I've made a video to on that channel that he had said he's not going to respond. That's why I have to ask Manuel that did she say she's going to court, because the video is on my draft. I nearly even posted it because I would have posted and then wake up the next day they are telling me that she's going to court, and it's like,
good. So that is what I feel. We are not playing our political game well. Now, finally, to come to the other issue where my friend Akasa was saying that diversionary tactics. Look, whether it is diversionary tactics or not, we have the numbers enough and the hours enough to address every issue that there be. Look, if Rita comes live and she's coming live for 4 hours, there's nothing wrong if NDC comes up with anything we respond to it. We will still talk about the gold board anyway. But we cannot also say that we are going to overlook it, we are going to ignore. You know how NDC works? NDC people work like cancer. When one small cell starts growing and you let it grow, it's going to affect every other cells around the organ. Yes. So we have the time. All we need is accurate and timely information. And also to know that we have leaders who are willing to go buga with NDC. Because that's the only way we are going to win 2028 election. 2028 election is not going to be won on with gentleness. So no way. No way. We are not going to win it with gentleness. We are going to win it with strategy and with hardcore politics. Let's learn from how Democrats are doing in the US. Look at how you Democrats are, the kind of position they are giving to Republicans. And you will see the results when they go for the midterms in October, November. They know what they are doing. They know we have a formidable candidate. That is true. We know his name is being cleared. All the lies that NDC said about him they are being cleared. But beyond that, Ghanaians won't care about that. Majority of Ghanaians don't care about that. They care about whose message is being repeated more in their ears.
Oh.
That is it. Okay. Now, finally, the forgiveness aspect that one of my brothers was talking about, I think he dropped.
Yeah.
Today I was at Accra, so I was at a place, Anyasoutu, the constituency, and we were going to do something there, and I saw an NPP car, and whenever I see an NPP car, whether I know the person or not, I approach the person. So when I approached, there were a group of people who were sitting down there. About 5 people were there, and I engaged them in a conversation. And one person among them kept saying, we have to go, the people who insulted Honorable Ken have to go and beg him and all those things. The remaining 4 around him attacked him and said, how many times you want us to go and beg this person? You understand? NPP must understand that we can win an election even if we are just 10 committed people left in the party. We can win an election. We don't need everybody. Sometimes even the greater the numbers, the more issues you have to deal with. What we need are people who are committed, who are willing to die for the party. We need people who are willing to come live like Rita and spend 6 hours just talking about the party. They're not going to ask anybody for data. They're not going to ask anybody to change their phone battery for them. They are the kind of people that our focus should be on today. And then we empower them. Also that when Rita is live, we make sure that at least 100 people are watching her. If we have to share, we have to repost. That is how as a party we must go. We cannot keep crying over spilled milk.
Whatever you do, you will just be wasting your time.
What is it again? It's like you're going to propose to a lady. The lady does not like you. You say you are still trying to woo the person. No. Concentrate on the people who say they like you. What is it? Me, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I think. I don't know for other people, but that's what I think. Rita, thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you. Good morning, Halimat. My fellow papa. Alhaji Lotto say, me, mo ye juma wo NLA. Moya staff members. Matema kwechi yaso. 13%. Metin su wie ya no. Eno no increase wono ne salary by 38,000 Ghana cedis. 38,000 nkwa kwase yesi eno nkwa your salary enye sika ketewa. Ono ne se me Alhaji Lotto me de matoma kachiem. Matema mo salary so by 13. Matome ma kachiem me de 38,000 Ghana cedis atoso. Owie no tam eye 70,000. That's what you go chia ne bills. And on one kasa hour day no $108,000. That's what the chia rent every year. Lotto now on one corner na o make any profit no. O mo brebia ho no sika enokodi ye. Enti enanya mo wase Lotto egu. John Mama, if you are not aware, Alhaji Lotto will go NLA. Samia wukuncha cheda okowo wo NLA. Eko peja ye, ema lotteries. Just odi a lot of fun games eba ho no mu ni nyina. Enne Alhaji Lotto John Mama nyankopon adama. Odi ne kwato ye Lotto no. Me say wagu no. Thank you. Good morning. Alhaji Lotto egu Lotto no. Eti mo fansha mutim sa John Mama ban ye oba ye ya. On kreti adwuma yi. Ebenezer, wase egu adwuma foforo. So John Mahama is making sure say we are going to have more than 1 million families that is going to be affected by this. Because omo mucha Lotto, omo wa yire nom. Omo wa ma. Ai. Eti sa nkrofo we na ebi mo me beja school ebi mo yire no mo beja wo mama be hyehyɛ akonfo John Mahama de ono oba ye no on kreti adwuma ni bi ogu adwuma obi say my source is Ghana. My source is not Ghana today. As a matter of fact, me, sad story way. I had this story. I was privy to this information over a month ago. Sad day, nana sami dem. Sad weekend, nana sami dem. I was also going for a funeral, and obi friend me telling me about this issue. Air pending, NLA. And I'm catching say baby, I can't listen to me. I'm maybe the details of the conversation. On chain, I'm in camera. And I never went back to that conversation. This has nothing to do with the offense said Ghana today. I was already privy to this information. Said NLA go more than a month ago. Good morning, NDC. Say your source is Ghana today. But damn, Ghana today about all of a sudden, Ghana today is exposing you people, and suddenly Ghana today is a credible source. Idiots. How can you pick your friends allergy? What were you expecting? Your mama? What were you expecting? What were you expecting? Mr. Nipaneba, if he was going to succeed and can the first initiator and the first move would have told you. On the first move, they say, my man, what's your friends, the work as a salary, so now me meant to medium. This should tell you he is not there to save. He was just there to enrich himself. Selfish bunch of people. NDC are buying. Let me move on. American can say, "Oh, you weekend basa na ya na nsemono." Edo also.